vehicle collision? Or are currently investigating a frontal, rear-ended, T-bone, hit-and-run, rollover, flip, pedestrian motorcycle, or even a fender-bender crash? Whether the collision was fatal, serious, damaged only, or minor, one of the most important things after being involved in a collision and after seeking medical attention is to make sure you have a collision report. Whether you need to go to court, your insurers, your boss, or even to settle a case, it is one of the single most important documents you'll need to get an insight of the crash or the compensation you deserve. Trained by the University of Technology in Kingston, Jamaica, and the Institute of Police Technology and Management, Jacksonville, Florida, USA, as a traffic collision reconstructionist, Mr. Mitchell will provide you an analytical report highlighting the errors, strengths, and weaknesses of the content regarding your case. He offers many services, such as speed analysis from skid or tire marks. He will speak about human factors such as perception and reaction time, point of impact, distance, speed, and time. He also extract data stored inside the black box of your vehicle. That's right, you heard me right. He can download data stored inside your vehicle and will interpret the crash data for you. You'll be getting a clear and concise report that has drawings, photographs, calculation, animation, CDR or black box results, and even videos of the collision scene. He's had tons loads of experiences testifying in court as an expert witness in the field of motor vehicle crash reconstruction. Therefore, he is being contacted by people all over the world, including the USA, Canada, England, and the Caribbean. Don't waste more time on trying to put your traffic report together when you can have an expert do that for you. Reach out to Ricardo Mitch 206 on Fiverr for further details.